Hi, I'm Amy Fadorsen, principal of Horizon Elementary School, and I'd like to share our reentry plan for lunch in the cafeteria. Students will wash their hands both before lunch and following recess, which occurs immediately after their lunch periods. They will enter one door of the cafeteria and exit another to avoid cross-contamination. Because students won't be wearing masks while they're eating, we have made sure to position the kids so that they are 6 feet apart, not only from each other, but from the tables adjacent to them. The overflow from our cafeteria will go into our lobby, where we will use the remaining round tables as well as white tables that we can sit 2 per table. Only one grade level will eat in the cafeteria at a time, and we will make sure to disinfect tables and chairs in between lunches. Cafeteria workers will bring the lunches to the students. We also have at least 2 cafeteria workers at a time assisting students so they don't have to get up and walk around during lunch. If a child needs to use the restroom, we will make sure only one person is permitted to leave the cafeteria at a time.
Hi, my name is Jill Riggs. I am the Food Service Director for PHM Schools, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our safety that we are using for our lunch and breakfast meals. We welcome all the children back this year with some pre-packaged meals. So our breakfast and our lunch will be pre-packaged. In our kitchens, we are putting together the pre-packaged meals. We've been working on this since March while the students were out distance learning, so we've got a good system down. Our hot meals, such as our homemade macaroni and cheese that is coming out of the high school, gets pre-made at the high school, gets put into individual containers, frozen, and delivered to the schools, who will bake it off in the oven. That way we are not retouching multiple things as they're coming into the schools. All fresh fruits and vegetables and canned vegetables and fruits will also be put into individual containers so that everything is served to your child on disposables. We are not using any of the reusable dishes at this point. Everything will be disposables and delivered to your child. Everybody at PHM values safety and the safety of your children. So this is one of the ways that we are making sure that your child can get a safe, nutritious meal during their meal period.